Welcome back to Drinks Made Easy. Today we've got one from the vaults. Especially if you're new to the channel, you might not know all the fun stuff that we've done in the past, so this is the Kentucky Mule with a skid.
Hey Frank.
Earl, tell you,
Yeah.
it's down by the bar.
Huh?
All these people drinking these Moscow Mule drinks, these vodka and lime and ginger cocktails.
Moscow?
Yeah,
That sounds like a common drink.
that's what I said.
You know what would be good in that? Bourbon.
That's what I said. Everything tastes better with bourbon, including your wife.
What?
This episode we're taking a look at the Kentucky Mule, a variation on the Moscow Mule that if you're a bourbon fan is fantastic. Start by adding 1 3/4 ounces of bourbon. Next we will add 3/4 of an ounce ginger syrup and 3/4 of an ounce lime juice. Add that to a shaker tin full of ice, cap it off, and give it a good shake. And top it off with some soda water. Give it a little stir, and garnish with a lime. And there you have it, a Kentucky Mule. Oh, that's good. Please remember to always drink responsibly. As everybody likes to make friends, no one likes to make them in a prison shower. Cheers from all of us here at Drinks Made Easy.
Lime juice.
Vodka.
Yeah.
Shit. I'm not gonna pick my nose. I think that's a weird way to start. No, you don't look at me when you do it. Moscow, that sounds like a common drink.
That's what I said.
You know what'd be good in that?
Well, I didn't tell you what was in it, so these vodka, ginger, and lime drinks.
I spit on myself.
Oh,
Sorry.
jeez.
Can't take you nowhere.
Went right down my arm. You know what'd be good in that? Vodka.
You want me to just step on back in?
No,
Man, this is
no.
pretty easy. What?
Okay.
Jeez. Try not to fuck up your lines, bro.
This acting stuff is hard.